Let's go, hole one. All right, we're up there on the right. On the green, maybe. About 35 feet up the hill. Crazy. Close and 2 putted in the air. Get picture fast today. Up here. Alright, a little dog leg left. That's pretty perfect. Let's fucking go. Here we are. Hit that drive 270 yards. Got roughly 80 to the pin. Oh, and it's just short with my 56. Good enough. Get up there. Get up there. Oh, 5 feet short. I think I'm actually gonna chip this. The fringe is wet. Not too bad. Let's knock that in for par. They were waiting for the green to clear, and I've been waiting now for 10 minutes. Got iced out. Got a par 5, 460 yards. Pretty straightforward. Just gonna try to poke one down the middle. Oh. Alright, that's gonna be down in the rough. Hit it off the heel. That's what happens when you wait 25 minutes. 270 left. Very bad drive. Terrible. Wrong fairway. Found my ball over here in the rough near this tee box. Roughly 140 yards. Good stuff here. No. I shanked it. Fuck this game. 50 yards. You can do this. You know what you're doing, kid. That's awful. God awful. No, get down as close. 146 yard par 3. Little into the wind, but I don't want to go long, so I'm gonna hit 8. Way short. That's okay. It's a nice swing. We got a 315 yard par 4. will be right, narrow fairway, hybrid, down the middle, towards that dead tree on the left. Oh, it's fading. Guess I'll do a provisional. Oh, fucking bitch. What the fuck was that? Guess it kicked out. 145 yards. Right behind the hole. Hope that looked cool. Par here. I got par 4, dog leg left. Not sure how many yards. Got 6 iron up the left side. It should trickle down the fairway. Leave me a nice little wedge in. Hit my shot. Hit my shot. Oh shit. I think that's fine, but what the fuck is that? Okay, we found my ball. Waited 10 minutes. We got 150 playing 140. I'm gonna try to land this short with a 9 iron and. Oh, fucking. Alright, chunked myself into A1 position. Just gonna bump it around a 7. Hopefully, salvage a bogey out of this mess. Clean the fairway. Yeah, well, it's not a bad shot. We're alive. This sucks. I gotta just barely land this on the green and roll the rest of the way. Perfect. Get closer. Alright, maybe I'll still make bogey. I don't even know if you could see it. Alright, we got a little 4-footer for bogey after that mess. Alright. What a fucking hell of a boat. Getting my money's worth playing every inch of this hole. So we've got a par 3, a little into the wind. 130. I'm gonna hit 9 iron. Pitching wedge always seems to come up short. If I gotta come back here, that's fine. Swing hard. Just gotta swing good. Man, that was a great shot. We're in the bunker. Sit, go in, hit it. Oh, fuck. Shit ass butt. Bigger comebacker than I wanted. Right edge. Oh, bogey. Alright, 8th hole, par 5, 430 yards. Fuck. My ball went out somewhere around here. I'm gonna kind of chip a 9 iron back up into the fairway. Dang. Hopefully go through that tree and doesn't kill anyone. These guys on the tee behind me are probably like, why is this loser fucking filming? I'm gonna opt for the layup. 29 to keep it under the tree branch, hopefully. What's that little tree down there? What's going on? Golf swing's feeling funky now. Ended up with the worst lie possible. We're sitting our par shot over there now. Lame. 74 yards off this weird side slope. Not bad lie. You're kidding me. Shabby. Let's make this fucking par. Hit it with your purse.